Hi everyone, so today the painting that I'm gonna show you is inspired by the Pre-Raphaelite. I already make a small sketch on my paper and now I'm gonna share with you my process from start to finish. I've always feel deeply connected with the Pre-Raphaelite paintings. I love the way depicting ladies with long and thick hair and the whimsical and dreamy aesthetic they create. It's just like stepping into another world, a world filled with beauty and flowers and nature. Every time I look at their work, I feel like immersed into another different world. This is the feeling I want to create in my own painting. I come up with the idea painting a girl holding a bouquet of white lilies, and I don't know why it just came into my mind for a long time ago. I didn't know why at first, but as I painted, when I finished, I already realized that white lilies symbolize purity and innocence, which perfectly matched the emotion I wanted to convey. She's lost in her own world, her own thought in this painting, a moment of quiet solitude. I believe that I'll speak differently to everyone, but I'm very excited to see how you connect with her story. When I'm painting, I just want to let the flow take care of everything, allowing all these inspiration and ideas to flow through me naturally. I know this can be quite challenging for me, and I believe that for many other artists as well. During the process of painting, we often fear of making mistake, creating something that doesn't meet our expectation, or having to fix certain part only to worry that those adjustments might ruin the entire piece. I know there's multitude of fears our ego whisper to us. I struggled with this a long time ago too, and also for now, but I gradually try to overcome this, and I come to realize that fear shouldn't be a barrier or something that makes the act of creating art feel exhausting. Sometimes painting feels like meditation. When I take a step back and observe my fears, I see how insignificant they really are. Slowly, I've learned to let the flow take care of everything, and I started to enjoy the process more and letting go of all of my expectation, and I learned to embrace and cherish every experience and every piece of art I create. is the first day of 2025 and I decided to take a little break to spend some time with my best friend. We visit this adorable shop to pick up some aesthetic goodies and also bring some photo we will later use for journaling to reflect on the past year, and also we will make some storyboard for this new year. And I also be sharing my process of creating a small watercolor painting as a cozy coffee later on. Besides oil paints, I also enjoy working with other mediums like watercolor and oil pastel. I think that art has no limit as long as it's express my soul, speak to my heart. I embrace them all. I often switch between medium depending on my inspiration. Watercolor and oil pastel are much easier and flexible to take anywhere, allowing me to complete pieces in just one sitting, and especially when I have some ideas that I want to bring to life quickly. Since oil painting take much more time, these mediums provide me more spontaneous way to explore my creativity, and they also offer opportunities to improve my skill in color, sketching, lighting, or even develop some rough drafts for my ideas that I haven't fully visualized in terms of like composition or color. Instead of diving straight into an oil painting on canvas, I can sketch the concept with watercolor and oil pastel and making the process more fluid and experimental. Lately, I've been feeling pretty stressed as I still work a 9 to 5 job in the day, and I feel almost burnt out. That's why I've come to deeply cherish the quiet and creative moment in the evening. Even though these moments are short, they feel incredibly precious because they when I feel most like myself and fully immersed in a whimsical, dreamy world that brings me so much joy and peace. Thank you so much for watching until the end. I hope that you had a relaxing time enjoying this small art vlog, and I also hope to share my love for art and inspire you in some way. Art doesn't always have to be fancy. Whenever you have the time with whatever medium you have on hand, you can always create and paint whatever it brings you joy and inspiration.